MeghalayaPost.news.
Seng Bhalang naduk ka KSU HYC bat kiwe di Seng Bhalang klailom mentak singi ha Umroi airport nagbenta ban Pyrshah Wan u Jagadguru Shankaracharya bade halor ke jing Pyrshah jur ya ke jing temu jung u ban pelong ya karali nagbenta ban khang ka bam do masi ha ke jela Meghalaya keyboard Sengshar district bagi pulit nari boy kilah ban pahara jur ya ke tei ka airport ke bade hadian bagi Kynhun Seng Bhalang kila ilom bat kila Pyrshah banum sha ban wanrung sha kanong ba shlong badru sekshinong ba pher hapo ka jela kembala yo jing tip ha ke jing shisha nagaliang ka sarkar lingbau chief secretary ulade ban penbana shakilap thai board bak sarkar kanam ai board ban poi u Jagadguru ha kejelah bat klade ban tho shaka airport authority of India banum sha ban hiar na Umroi airport henrei kat kumujing tip bala yo lumpat la ong bak airport authority of India kanam la ban khang ya kane kejingwan ketika Kynhun gau bharat yatra hakba ki hab ban yo board na ka DGCA ban na ka civil aviation ministry kabala ban shim ya karai la yo jing tip ru bak ketika Kynhun kan man poi bej ha airport Umroi kabare hadian makamdan kano ka jingkhang yu Jagadguru bat ka Kynhun na kaliang SP gari boy ujak por sing dhano ulaong bahak jing shisha nadu ka sarkar baka bor Sengshar district nari boy klada ban ai daga jing tho shaka airport authority of India banum sha mon hayar ha Umroi airport henai kimla ban lei ei namar ban yo bor ya kani ka benta kamde ka bor jong ka sarkar jila bat ka ka bor jong ka sarkar kmi ula pan shairu wala ka taru kinam sha yu ban wan shaka jila hakaba ula ban wan tang ha airport bat shabar ke airport kamde ka bor jong ka sarkar jila bat ki ha ban khang ya kani ka jingwan jong uru kade namar baka kta ya ka shongsuk shongsan ki paj ba ka jila
from other they have refused him to fly here. As per information, I don't want to mislead also. So, because airport people also, they have explicitly said he will not fly to Meghalaya. But from Agartala, he may fly back to Guwahati. There is a possibility. Then he will come here. He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied.
It's 100%
It is confirmed. His location presently is in Agartala. From this chapter, you can see. You see? To let our understanding is since he has not been, though we are also getting passenger manifest. Any passenger, for example, his chartered flight is not coming. What if he comes by a normal flight? So we have also written to airport authorities. They are giving us passenger manifest. We will, even if he comes by normal flight, we will not allow. So we need your cooperation. It shouldn't be.
Yeah, we understand.
We are checking Barni Hut also since morning.
No, we also have kept our voice out there.
Always keep eyes on face. Let us, because even we are also not fully, like it is confirmed that he cannot land here. That much I can assure you. But what is his plan? We don't know.
Is there any possibility that it might come tomorrow or
Yes, 100. See what that is why for airport our this thing we are taking passenger manifest till 2nd of October. Okay, so we because even we don't know. Even we don't want him here. See, it is puja time. We don't want him in trouble.
Yeah.
Even Central Puja Committee also they have explicitly come out. It is for his own safety also.
Yeah, that's true. Seen that.
You never know, na?
But we have to keep alert from our side.
Yes. So are we.
Because the person seems very determined, and so we can understand because even all the northeastern states have was informed by my colleagues from Nagaland. I was also informed unconfirmed reports that he landed in Lengpui Airport, Aizawl, yesterday. So we're not sure about that. But he's supposed to come here yesterday. So today he's giving that was a decision to will issue a press statement. So who knows, he might come tomorrow. But if government can assure us that they will not let him step out of the airport, then
airport we can guarantee. He will not. I cannot take guarantee, no. Meghalaya government and district administration is concerned. We have written to Airport Authority of India not to allow landing of person who can lead to potential law and order problem. As far as information as of now is concerned, even Agartala airport, they have rescinded permission for him to fly out of Agartala to Umroi. But he may fly to Guwahati. And then whether he takes road route, we cannot comment on that. Yes, that is why we are here for, to ensure that law and order prevails and no such person who vitiates the environment is allowed. See, airport doesn't belong to the state government. There are separate rules within the airport, but outside the airport belongs to state government. So in that scenario, even if it were to happen, so we will ensure that the person is not allowed to come out of the airport.
MeghalayaPost.news